Hello, my loves, my turtle doves. It is Miss Sam here, coming to you from inside the library. I know we haven't seen it in so long. We wanted to bring to you another very special story time. And do you know what today's one is about? On June 21st is a very special day. Does anyone know? That's right, it's Father's Day. So it's a day we celebrate all the very special men in our lives. So our dads, our grandpas, uncles, anyone who might be a father figure to us. Does anyone have really fun memories with their dads? Anything they do? I heard you guys like to go fishing. I personally don't know how to do that. It's kind of a lot of sitting. I prefer reading. How about cooking? I know some people who like to cook with their dad. I personally enjoy eating with my dad a lot. So there are so many things we do together and very special times with them. So we're gonna talk a couple books about our dads. We're gonna do a very special craft, which means you can make it if you forgot a present. And we're gonna do that all about Father's Day. So you guys ready to go? Here we go. All right, now we're gonna read this book called Your Daddy Was Just Like You by Kelli Bennett, illustrated by David Walker, published by G.P. Putnam's Sons. Was your daddy just like you? Would you believe that your big dad was really small at one point? That's what they tell me. I've seen some pictures, but it's hard to think about that, right? Your daddy was born puny and red-faced, just like you. Look at how tiny the daddy was. First he crawled, then he tippy-toddled, and then he said, oogie boogie ba ba ba, just like you. Your daddy had two favorite friends, Raggedy and Bear. Together, they went everywhere. Time for a shot, said the doctor. Bear first, said your daddy, just like you. When he started school, your daddy said, it's hard. And do I have to? Just like you. I know for sure I was very scared to start school too. So he counted on his fingers. He missed some questions on tests. Sometimes he forgot his homework. But your daddy practiced and learned and kept getting smarter and smarter and smarter, just like you. Your daddy was zippy and sharp-eyed, just like you. He loved games, but he didn't always win. And sometimes he got mad when he lost. Sometimes he cried, but later he always wanted to play again. Most days your daddy was my sweet boy. Some days he turned into a wild thing. He raised a ruckus. He crashed and he teased and he boshed and he bashed. He fumed and he fussed. And on those days, your daddy got sent to time out, just like you. I do not like time out. Do you guys like time out? It is not fun. Some days your daddy was a race car, or a gorilla, or a cowboy, and sometimes he swooped through the house with a cape and a mask. Sometimes I mistook him for a stinky swamp man. Oh my goodness, look how muddy he is. Look at this. Your daddy never wanted to take a bath, but once he was in the tub, he never wanted out. He splashed and he sang and he made him sudsy disguises, just like you. You guys ever have bubble beards? I like those too. Your daddy wasn't always brave. I don't believe that. Especially at night. Spookies clanked in the closet. Creepies crawled under the bed. He checked and he rechecked. He flashed the lights and he bounced 3 times. And I said, nighty night, sleep tight. And he said, just keep the door open, just a crack, just like you do. Every morning when your daddy woke up, I gave him a big hug and a smooch and a prayer of thanks that he's mine. Your daddy is my baby. See, there's our grandma right there. And no matter how big he gets or how old he gets, he will always be my baby, just like you. The end. Good job listening, guys.
Hello, welcome to the Cerritos Library. My name is Miss Rochelle, and today we'll be making a dinosaur Father's Day card. Join me in our studio and we'll get started. The materials you'll need for the dinosaur Father's Day card are construction paper, markers or crayons, glue, a pencil, and scissors. Let's get started. The first step for creating the Father's Day card is tracing your hand on the construction paper. You'll need to fold your construction paper in half, making sure the fold's on the bottom. You're going to trace your hand like this. After you trace your hand, you're going to cut out your hand, and once you're done, it will look like this. The next step for your dinosaur card is drawing the head and the neck of the dinosaur. So right here I'm drawing the head of the dinosaur along with the neck. Looks like this. Once you cut it out, it'll look just like this. Okay, the last step in creating your Father's Day card is gluing the head to the body. Just take a little bit of glue and put it at the bottom of the neck. Then you're going to make sure that you have the thumb on this side because it's going to be the dinosaur's tail. So you open it up, glue it like that, and you have the shape for your card. The next part is drawing the face on your dinosaur. So for mine, I'm just going to draw the eyes and a happy face. I'm also going to make a few spots on the dinosaur also. There we have the outside of our card. Inside the card, I'm going to write Dad, your dynamite. You don't have to just make the card to your dad. It could be any father figure in your life that you want to make a card for. And there you go. And you're all set with your dinosaur Father's Day card. Thank you for joining me in creating a Father's Day card. My name is Miss Rochelle, and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Okay, my little ones. So like I said, Father's Day is June 21st. Do you think we can all count to 21 together? I know we normally only go to 20, so let's see if we can take this challenge and go for it, right? And then when we're done, we're gonna go backwards from 10 and do our blast off. Ready? So we're gonna go all the way to 21. You ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, here we go, 20, 21. Good job. We made it all the way to 21 in honor of Father's Day. So now let's count backwards from 10 so we can blast off into this excitement, right? We're going to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job, everyone. Now we're going to read What Grandpas Do Best by Laura Numeroff, illustrated by Lynn Munsinger, published by Simon & Schuster. So our grandpas mean that our parents had daddies and everything too, just like Father's Day. So grandpas are just as important as Father's Day as our own daddy, so make sure. All right. What do grandpas do with us, right? Grandpas can play hide and seek. Where are you? There they are. Make you a hat. How fun. Make you a hat on newspapers. And take you for a walk. Ooh, look, that looks so nice. Grandpas can paint with you. Look at these really pretty flowers. They can show you their photographs. So yeah, even Grandpa can show you when they were small, just like you. Teach you how to dance. Yeah. Let's see. Grandpas can take you on a picnic. See, I told you eating is a very fun activity. Show you some magic tricks. My dad likes to do magic tricks. Help you fly a kite. Ooh, that'd be really nice. We've had some windy days, right? Grandpas can take you to the beach. Oh, look, we got an inner tube. We've got a bucket. They can help you build a sand castle. That's fun. And they can take a nap with you. I would very much like to take naps. Grandpas can play games with you. Ooh, look, we're playing some mini golf. Give you a bath and sing you a lullaby. Wow, this grandpa knows how to play the guitar. That's pretty nice. But best of all, grandpas give you lots and lots of love. The end. Very good, my little ones. Thank you for listening. So thank you for being part of our story time today. We and the staff at the Cerritos Library and the entire city want to extend to you a very, very special happy Father's Day to all the fathers and all the father figures in your life. We are hoping that you are all staying safe and protected. Remember when you go outside that you're gonna wear a mask. They're not that scary. And remember, we're a superhero against the virus. So be sure to wash your hands, stay safe, and give all the love that you would want to give to us, to your daddies and everyone in your life. Love you, miss you. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.